You guys see something different about me today? Well, I got coveralls on. Should I show you why? Yeah, I suppose I could, huh? We just got done, the boys just left. They had a miserable day. But I'll show you what I did today. I actually worked. You know, in them Canadians, they actually make a really good product. That is a good product, the ProHeat. I stuffed her in there and I just shoved all this stuff in and I just pushed and pushed and pushed and I gotta see something. I think it said a mechanic can run it from outside here. I don't know if that works. Maybe it's the other button. Anyways, we'll go turn it on inside. There's a way to, yeah. So, we just had it running. My thermostat theory was right. It worked. Hell, it wasn't a theory. You saw it on the film if you watched it. We got to put some more antifreeze in tomorrow, top her all off. And wouldn't you know it, there was just oil gushing out of the bottom. Gushing, coming down like, holy wow. And Kyle forgot to tighten like 1.5 inch hose. Don't say nothing. I'm gonna fire this ProHeat up. Hope you don't mind. Let's reach in and climb in here and just go like, see, there is the problem, no? Sure. No wonder. See, now I just discovered something. God. More work. Okay. So, no wonder it was, that's wired wrong. That peeves me off, but whatever. This has got to go straight to the battery. It's got to have straight battery power, just like the ProHeat. This is the first time I've been in it. We tested it with the master switch on. It worked just fine. Means we got to do some wiring in the morning. See how that goes? While you test and retest and retest and look at everything? Who's the bonehead who did that? Whatever. Anyways, maybe I'll show it to you anyhow. We'll come over to the master switch. And it might be too hot. It might just take off. That means somebody's got work to do tomorrow, which will be me and Troy, because, hey, I got to tell you guys something. They opened up, I don't care if you like animals or not, but they opened up a wolf hunt. And they had a lottery or something, and Kyle's got a buddy in there going wolf hunting tomorrow. Because probably the bleeding hearts will probably change it after a year again. Okay, watch. Just have to bear with me. Just like that, she's cruising. She's a cruising. That's nice when they do that. Wow, you can even see the I tell ya, I'm sure glad that I made this video, because I'd have gone and sent this machine out and that timer wouldn't have been hooked up hot all the time, and I'd have got chastised, you know, for not having for it not working. When they'd set the time at night, they would leave the master on, then they'd be, no wonder they're having dead battery problems. Isn't that something? How we just discover by doing? Hey, and if anybody wants to know, these are Boston Scally caps. They're expensive, but I love them. Good product. Warm as hell in the winter. That wool felt stuff. Anyways, so that's what I got for you today, the preheater. You just heard it. It runs. Now, with any magic touch that I got, it shouldn't shut off. But it does, see? Yeah, that's got to be rewired. It was in cool down mode. Son of a biscuit. But that's why we do what we do when we get, you know, check once and check twice. And oh, let me show you another little project. You've seen this before if you go back and look at my video on the hubs. Bang! This is the one we had here this last summer. Of course, it is winter. And they were plowing a couple of weeks ago. And look here. You loggers know what that is, don't you? It's a broken cable, eh? And she's sprung a leak or two. So she's here for a little bit of, as Mr. Haley would say, we're going to do greater proctology. And yeah, that cylinder and this one here. Quite frankly, we could probably do all of them and it would. Anyways, so you'll see that coming up. We'll get that wing down and I gotta find some 1/2 inch rope, wire rope, and we'll go from there. All right, see you all later, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you, bye.